And we're live. Good evening, everyone. It is about 9:30 p.m. and there's an update on our winter storm that is evolving. For much of the region, the forecast is pretty much going as planned. It is slightly colder down towards central New Jersey, around Monmouth County, where we're actually seeing snow accumulating on the grass in locations like Freehold. I don't expect this to last much longer, but the reason why we're seeing this intensification of snowfall on cold surfaces, not so much on roadways. Roadways remain pretty much wet around Monmouth County, but locations to the north, where we're seeing this freezing line right around Trenton, off towards New York City, that's where we're starting to see the snow starting to accumulate on the roadways. And the reason why is we're seeing this intense precipitation that's rotating through. Now, this is based off of waves of short waves at around 700 millibars to 850 millibars along the mid-level warm front. And what that basically means is that this enhances precipitation rates and supports periods of heavier snowfall. You also notice that we're starting to see some very brief lightning strikes showing up, showing the convective nature of this precipitation. And after we get through this first band of strong warm air transport, we have a second band that is on the way, producing some very heavy precipitation over portions of west central Pennsylvania that's going to be heading towards our neck of the woods, enhancing precipitation further. But while that's all happening, we are also starting to see warm air transport. Now, thus far, we have not seen a development of the secondary low pressure system, which is down here. The idea here is that with the primary low pressure system weakening, this area of weakness down here towards the Delmarva Peninsula will start to support more of a low pressure system towards midnight off the Jersey Shore. And that should allow for winds to shift a bit to the east-northeast and keeping cold air in place around New York City, around portions of Trenton, around north-central New Jersey. When we shift, let me shift up a little bit and go to 850 millibars. And you can see plenty of cold air in place. We're still located over the northern Mid-Atlantic. Here's our 850 millibar low and some very strong warm air transport starting to overwhelm this cold air. But it's going to take some time. So as a result, we continue to see the snow developing as far south as Monmouth County. But the surface temperatures, the boundary layer temperatures, still remain relatively warm because we have that stiff easterly wind coming right off the Atlantic Ocean. So our freezing line is something like this, cutting through. So Long Island, although you're seeing snow, you're also seeing temperatures above freezing, and that's limiting your snowfall accumulation on locations like the roadways, but certainly supporting accumulation on grassy surfaces. Portions, what I'm surprised about is Belmar, New Jersey, actually seeing snowfall, but with the 850